Environmental factors that add to depression and anxiety. Clinical depression and anxiousness are two of the very most common mental health conditions having an effect on folks worldwide. While there are several factors that provide to these ailments, environmental factors, such as stress and social isolation, can play a significant duty. In this short article, we are going to take a look at the partnership between environmental factors and anxiety and stress and anxiety. Stress. Anxiety is one of the most considerable ecological elements that contribute to clinical depression and stress and anxiety. Stress may be triggered by a selection of traits, consisting of work-related problems, monetary problems, relationship troubles, or health concerns. When we experience tension, our bodies respond by producing cortisol and various other stress and anxiety hormones. These bodily hormones can have an adverse effect on our psychological health and wellness if they stay high for extended durations. When we experience chronic stress, it may lead to depression or stress and anxiety. For example, someone along with a difficult work may start to really feel overcome or desperate about their situation. They may start to shed enthusiasm in tasks they once took pleasure in or possess issues sleeping at evening. Over opportunity, these symptoms may worsen if the rooting stress factor is not attended to. Social isolation. Yet another ecological element that adds to depression and anxiety is social solitude. Human beings are social creatures who depend on hookups along with others for mental support and well-being. When we don't possess adequate social call in our lives, it may lead to emotions of being alone or disconnection from others. Folks who are socially isolated may be most likely to create signs of depression or anxiety because they do not have the psychological support needed to deal with life's obstacles effectively. They may likewise really feel a lot more stressed because they don't have anyone to turn to when traits get hard. In enhancement to being alone and disconnection from others, social seclusion can additionally lead individuals down a pathway of unfavorable self-talk where they ponder over their issues without any input coming from others who might use standpoint or solutions. Ecological poisons. Ecological contaminants such as air pollution coming from manufacturing plants or chemicals in the water supply can easily additionally provide to clinical depression and anxiousness. These poisons can possess an adverse effect on our physical health, which can then lead to mental wellness concerns.